So Sky firmly back in focus this week, as you said. Yesterday we heard from the UK takeover panel that they will indeed move forward with an auction to resolve the bidding war for Sky through that means. So let's have a look at what we can expect this weekend. So it's going to be an auction that kicks off today at 5 p.m. and runs for approximately a day. So it will conclude by tomorrow evening, September 22nd. The auction is going to consist of up to 3 rounds of bidding, and all offers must be in sterling. Now, in terms of the 3 rounds themselves, the first round will kick off with an opportunity for Fox, the underdog, to come in with a higher bid. In the second round, Comcast will have an opportunity to come back with a counter bid, and they'll have the chance to do this regardless of whether Fox actually raises their bid in the first round. And then should it get there in the third and final round, both Fox and Comcast will have a chance to put forward their best and final bids. So we will know the conclusion of this shortly after the auction concludes on Saturday evening. Now, let's just have a look at where things stand going into the auction in terms of the offers on the table. So Comcast is currently in the lead with an offer of £14.75. Fox is back there with £14. And remember that Fox is only bidding for 61% of Sky, as they already own 39% of those shares. Sky, meanwhile, has been trading well above the highest level for quite some time now, suggesting that the investment community has long been expecting the bidding war to continue.
Julianna, come back to the desk. Come on, let's have a bit of a chat about this. Thanks so much for walking us through the wall and the likely outcomes here. I still have a bit of a bee in my bonnet about why there are no digital participants in this auction process, or indeed bidding to get engaged here. If we keep being told that content is king and delivery is important to the market, and we've seen these brands mopping up other content producers, we know Netflix looks strong here. I think it did well in the Emmys and so on and so forth. Why are there no other bidders coming out of the woodwork on this one? Because they've certainly got the firepower.
Well, certainly this is part of what's driving Disney and Comcast to look for growth elsewhere outside of what they've already got. Disney has announced plans to launch their own streaming service next year to compete with the likes of Netflix and Amazon. So all of this is really reflective of the legacy players trying to make a push to compete with the players that you mentioned.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.